in the program, after execution of that program automatically deleted. But here, without using pre-function, it won't be deleted. That memory is still using by if program completion completed also, if program execution completed also, then still that memory using that PTR still it uses that memory. Okay, understood? If the program execution completed, even though if the program execution completed, the ptr pointer uses those memory. Okay, we have to release that memory. We have to release how to release that memory using free. Write this dynamically allocated memory with, just write pre of ptr, that's all. Yeah, finished. Yeah, mllog, we work with structures. If it is finished, see, we write a program, guys. You have to tell how to write. Yeah, structures. I want to work with dynamic memory with structures. Structures with dynamic memory. Okay, keep the site ending. Structures with the dynamic memory. You see, guys, now I am taking struct student. Guys, see, struct to student, or take anything, struct to student or any employee details. Right now, I want to take student number into student number. Okay, name also I want to take. How to take a name? These two fields I want to take. S name of, it's not any linked list. We are not creating any linked list. First, just I want to work with the structure with the linked list. Yeah, guys, tell me. Yeah, Prudvi, Prudvi, Arvind. Yeah, you don't have mic. Okay. Nitin, you also don't have mic. Yeah, Niharika,
Uh,
does it allocate memory now for S1?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it is a structure variable, right? Whenever
Yes.
structure variable is created, memory will be allocated, right?
Yes.
How much memory will be allocated? S number for 2 byte, S name for 20 bytes will be
Twen-
allocated.
20,
Yes or no?
22. Yes.
Yeah, total 22 bytes will be allocated. Now, see Niharika, now I want to write, now I am writing N1 or student 1, here SPTR1. Now, how much memory, does it allocate memory for structure?
No, sir. It's pointer.
It's pointer. For pointer, how much memory will be allocated?
2 bytes.
Very good. 2 bytes will be allocated, right? Yes. Okay, now what I want to do, you understood, right, MLOC?
Yes.
Yeah, Niharika. See, now tell
Yes, sir.
me how to allocate memory for that SPTR1. Okay, I want to allocate memory. How much memory I want to allocate? That structure size is there. That much memory I want to allocate. How to allocate? Tell me.
SPTR1 equal to
Very good. SPTR1 equals to
uh,
MLOC of C. We can
MLOC
write
of
MLOC of, if I write 20, 20 bytes will be allocated. Yes or no? If I
yes,
write 22, 22 bytes will be allocated.
yes,
I don't want to enter manually this value. Okay. What is the structure size is there? That much size I want to allocate it. What I have to write here?
MLOC of student,
Not student. Size of student.
size of student.
Size of struct student. Okay, na? Data type name is struct student. We did not give any allocation. Okay. Here we get a warning message, right? Yes or no?
Int star typecasting.
Int star. Is it correct? Is it a which pointer it is?
Struct,
Hmm. Which pointer
uh,
it is? This pointer.
structure,
Uh,
struct stars.
struct star. Data
No,
type name is what?
no. Struct
Struct. Uh,
star. Student star.
uh, Data type name is struct student. This is a typecasting. You understood? If it is
Yes,
integer, we write int star, right? It's not
yes,
integer. Struct student. That's why struct student star. Now memory will be allocated now. Yes or no, guys? Right? Now
yes,
memory
sir.
will be allocated. Okay, how it allocates memory, I will show you. Okay, see. Now it's a pointer. It's a pointer. 2 bytes will be. It will allocate like this, right? For S number for 2 bytes, same two S number for 2 bytes, and for S name for 20 bytes will be allocated. This is S number. Okay, this is S number. This is S name. Now what is this here? SPTR1. SPTR1. Okay, this is pointing to this element, this address. Total 22 bytes. Okay, now tell me, who is that? Yeah, Sai Nikita.
Sir,
Now memory will be allocated, right?
yes, sir.
Now I want to enter the data into these memory locations. How to enter? I want to read through keyboard. How to read? Printf.
Printf,
Uh,
enter S number.
Very good. Enter S number. Okay, good. How to enter? Tell me.
Scanf percentile D,
Very good. Scan of percentile. Why? Because it is an integer. Yeah. Hmm.
comma,
Comma.
ampersand S,
Ampersand. Yeah, Ruhina, good.
SPRT1 arrow S number
SPTR1 arrow S number. Why are writing arrow?
because it is for pointer.
Yes. If it is a normal variable, then what you have to write?
Dot.
Dot. Good. That is a pointer. In linked list, we use only this arrow. That's why I am giving this, right? Next, again, student name. How to enter student name? Printf. Tell me.
Enter student
Enter.
name.
Very good. Enter student name. How to enter student name?
Sir, before the text flash should be there.
Yeah, we'll check it once.
Oh,
Okay. First we will
yes,
enter.
sir.
If there is no anything, we will end. What did I write?
Getters of
Yeah.
ampersand, no,
SPT.
SPTR1
Now arrow.
arrow SNAME.
Okay, we'll check it. Does it takes or not? After that, we write. Okay. Get CH. See, once execute this, enter student number 101. It's taking, right?
Yes, sir.
It is taking, not required. Enter student number 101. Enter student name. Okay, it is not reading. Only one character only it is reading. Okay, that's why what to do. Write a flush. If it is not taking, write. Otherwise, no, leave it. Okay, now. Okay, now I want to write a flush std in standard input. Okay, okay, right. What I want to do, this is memory allocating, right? This is memory allocating and print them. How to print them? Printf of mm, what I have to write?
S number is equal to
S
percent
number
ID,
is very good. Percentage.
comma SPTR1
Tell me.
arrow, comma SPTR1 arrow S number.
Very good. Same S name also I want to print it.
Printf
Printf.
percentiles
S name is. Now we want to print S name is percentile S. Here what I have to write? SPTR
SPTR1 one
arrow
arrow S name.
S name. Good. This is reading S number and S name. Okay. Once execute this. One error. Undefined symbol stdin. For this what I have to write? Hmm?
Includes includes
Just
this
include
stdio
STDIO.
dot h.
Very good. Hash include stdio.h. Now I want to write stdio.h. Once execute. Enter student number 101. Enter student name. Okay. Any name you can enter with spaces. Got it? What I want to enter, this is not a see guys, this is not a one memory location, right? Now I want to do what to do. I want to keep it in do while. If you want one more record, I want to again execute it. Okay, what I want to do, see do, see I'm not creating any linked list. SPTR1. See here it will ask, right? Print the test number and S name. After printing S number and S name, see what I'm doing here. While of, see guys, all of you, while of here, I want to read a character, guys. I want to read a character. Read character. How to read a character? Here I want to enter on message printf. See, after printing S number and S number, why am I writing? I will tell you. See this. Do you want another record to insert? Do you want another record to insert? Okay, yes or no. Here I'm giving a one message, right? See, do you want another record? Clear? First you will enter S number, S name. After that it will ask, do you want to another record? Again what I will do, get ch means enter the character. If the given character is a y, మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుందో చెప్పండి. Again if you take like
Again, the
this,
loop get
loop will
executed.
loop will be executed. Again memory will be allocated. Again it reads the data. Again print it. Continuously it executes. Okay, see once. Enter S number 101 and S name is enter Ramesh. It prints those data. Now after that, do you want another record? Yes, 102 and some name, right? 103 S Like this, we can enter the string like this. Clear? Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here one mistake is there. What is mistake? We are creating a data, we are creating a data, we are entering the data, we are printing the data. After printing, again deallocate that memory. Are you following? Deallocate. After that, do you want another record? Again, it is creating another memory location. Are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
After allocating a memory, you have to deallocate SPTR1. SPTR1. That is the previous one will be deleted. That node will be deleted. Again, new memory will be created. New memory that is deleted. Why? Because you are entering, you are printing. That is completed. Delete this. Okay. Write this program. Nothing will happen here, but in the memory it will be released. Yeah. Right. Right, guys. Any doubt? In linked list, we write only this type of programs only. All. Any doubts? Yeah.
No,
Right.
sir.
Yeah. Right.